Are you ready to add awesome, easy bass lines to your piano playing? Let's get started. Today I'm going to be walking you through a really simple approach to adding left-hand bass lines to your piano playing. Before you start adding a bass line to any piece of music, make sure that you're fairly comfortable with the chord changes. That's going to be a really important component of making bass lines on the fly. Let's swing around to the keys and get started. Okay. So as we talk about creating simple bass lines, we are going to use the individual notes of each chord we are playing. I'm going to start with a C major chord. In my left hand, my notes are C and G. And just for fun, maybe the octave C above. If I keep to these notes when I'm playing a C major chord, my bass line is going to be musically sound. I'm not going to play any notes that sound flat out bad. One of the easiest patterns you can start with is simple quarter notes. I'm going to play whole notes with my right hand, just sticking with C major. With my left hand, I'm going to play quarter notes. And to start, I'll just be sticking to our root note, C. If you're sitting at your keyboard, try it with me. If you need more time, pause the video and give it a try. If you've got a good handle on sticking with your root notes, let's try adding the next most important note for our bass lines, our fifth, G. Start slow. Again, if you're at your keyboard, try this one with me. Awesome. Let's take a look at one more pattern, and this time we're going to play our root note, then G, then make the big stretch for your octave. Play the low C with your pinky, G with your first finger, and the octave with your thumb. Our pattern is C, G, octave C, then back to G. Again, sticking with quarter notes. Okay, try it with me, nice and slow. Great work! If you're new to creating bass lines, get comfortable with these patterns and then try making your own. We'll be creating more videos to introduce new rhythms and more note patterns, but developing a good fundamental understanding of bass lines is super important. If you're a more advanced player, feel free to share your helpful tips with our piano playing community in the comments below. Hey, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like so that we know you want to see more topics like this. We've got a whole team of music teachers answering questions and bringing you awesome lessons and tutorials every week. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a video. And if you're looking for a complete piano education, click the link to visit hoffmanacademy.com. See you next time.